Hey everyone, my name is Kate and I'm product development manager here at Plus Plus, and today we are going to be building the creepy critters. We have Bolt, Nom, Grim, and Wib here, so let's get started. Now we are going to do our critter Bolt, and the reason he's called Bolt is because he loosely resembles Frankenstein and has a bolt going right through him. So the colors that come in Bolt are basic purple, glow, silver, basic black, apple, and then we have 2 yellow hubs for his eyes. So we're going to take 3 of our glow pieces and we're just going to build them right in a line, just like this. And once we have Bolt's legs figured out, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the feet on. And we're going to slide the purple piece in, just like that. And then we're going to take this other leg and put this purple piece in going this way. So now we have both of Bolt's legs and feet completed. So we're going to build a 3x3 grid flat. So we're going to put 3 down here to start. We're going to put this part of the body right on this back part here. And we're going to take our other leg and put it in the same spot on the other side of the body. And first we're going to start with 1 silver piece and 1 apple, and we're going to put them together just like this. And then we're going to take 1 more silver piece and go up on this just like that. And once we have that silver piece there, we're going to take a piece of apple and start going down again. So we're going to go down like that. And then we're going to finish it off with a silver piece right here on the other side. So once we have this part that goes through his body, we're going to take the body and we are going to attach this. So we are going to slide it in right here. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to push these together too. So once this is created, we're going to go ahead and slide it onto the front part of the legs here. So we're going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and push it down just like that. So this is what Bolt should look like so far. And we're going to put 1 black piece on this side. Just like that. Flip it over and put this piece on the same place on the other side. Take 1 of our black pieces and add it right to the top of his head right here. Then 1 right to the other side. So now all we need to do is add Bolt's eyes in. And we're going to go ahead and take 1 of our hubs. We're going to push it in on these eye pieces that we added. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other eye. We're going to push that in. So now we have Bolt created.